the challenge that most people have in general in conversation is that we don't listen to understand. We're busy listening while we're listening, we're formulating a response to what we're hearing. So think about it. There's a little voice in the back of your head that's always talking. And while I'm talking, you're already thinking of what you feel about it, and if you were in a dialogue, how you would respond to me, okay? Which means probably we're not listening to half of what we hear, but if we actually listen to everything that was communicated to us, we might have a greater understanding of what's going on. So consider that people don't listen because they're not listening to understand. They're just listening to answer, okay? So think about what that would be like if we actually listen to understand.